Rubies.
Hi, this is Shiva here, and this video we are going to discuss the weekend hack 26 Jan, the second weekend hack, which is worth rupees 250. The main question in this weekend hack is to print all the possible words with the characters provided. So if we are provided with the characters, we need to print all the possible words or arrays which will come out of these characters. So for example, if I have my, it will be my and ym, and if I have bat, bat, then it should be abt, atb, bat, bta, tab, tba. So we need to get all the combinations. So if it is 3 characters, there will be 3 factorial combinations, so there will be 6 of them. If it is 2 characters, 2 factorial, so there will be only 2 combinations. And if it is 4 factorial, then there will be 24 of them. The other point which we have to note here is when we return the 2-dimensional character array, the words should be sorted as it's shown here. So first you should get ABT, then ATB, and BAT, BTA, TAB, and TBA. So they should be sorted as well. Not only we have to get all the possible combinations, but they should be sorted as well. And the solution which we are going to discuss in this video is provided by Srinivas Rao Bolla and Sulekha Mehta of Osmania University. And the code which we are already given is like get all car combinations, out of which we have to write a method for getting all the combinations. We are given the word as a character array, and we should return an 2-dimensional character array. If we want to create any additional methods, we could create here. So with this background, and I'll try to discuss the solution which was provided by Srinivas and Sulekha. For getting the combinations of this word BAT, what we have to do is there are 2 things which you have to do. Is first find the rightmost character which is lesser than the next character, or smallest character on the right which is greater than previously found character. Before that, we have to sort this word whatever we have got, and then we use these 2 characters and then try to get the various combinations. So first thing I'm doing is I'll take this word BAT and then sort it. So A, B, and then T. So after when you sort this BAT, you'll get a combination like this. So this one will be our first combination. So this is ABT. Then what we'll do is in this combination we'll find the rightmost character which is lesser than the next character. So we have to find the rightmost character which is lesser than the next character. So rightmost character will be A, B in this order, right? T, B, A, which is lesser than the next character. So for T there is no next character, so it can't be lesser than. We have B. B is the rightmost character which is less than the next character. Next character is T. So B is less than T and it is the rightmost character. We have A which is also less than next character, but it is not the rightmost thing. So we take this B. So this I'll make it as B. Right. Then what we'll do is smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found character. We want to get the smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found character. Previously found character is B. For this, we want to get the smallest character on the right, and which should be greater than this guy. So greater than B, T is there. So there is only one character, and it is greater than B. So we'll just take it. Then what we have to do is once we have got these 2, we have to swap them. So A, T, B. So first of all, we have to get from the combination, you have to get the rightmost character which is lesser than next character, that will be B, and then smallest character on the right of this B which is greater than the previously found, it should be greater than B, so we get T. Then we exchange those two. B goes where T is and then T goes where B is. So then we get a array. This array is not final. What we have to do is we have to sort it. For sorting we have to do after this character location, so that will be B. Then if I sort it, actually there is no change because B is only 1 and there is no need to change it. So if then that will be our second combination. In this second combination, again you have to get rightmost character which is lesser than the next character. So if we go from here, T is greater than B, so it won't be valid. A is less than T and it is the rightmost character which you get. So that will be A. Then we have to get smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found character. We should get after A anything which is smallest one which is greater than A. So T is greater than A. But B is also greater than A, so but B is smaller compared to T, so that will be the letter which we have to exchange with. So that will become B. Then we exchange these two things, but this is not the final word. What we have to do is, since this guy we exchanged it from here, anything after this we want to sort it. So what will happen? It will become B. It will become B, A, T. So this guy will come as is, but anything which is highlighted here, right, in light pink color, that will get changed. So that will be our third combination. Again here we have to get rightmost character which is lesser than the next character. So you have A which is less than the next character and that is the rightmost. So A I have. And after A, smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found character, greater than A, and it should be smallest. Since there is only one, we have to just take T. Now if I just exchange this to B, T and A, right, then we have this guy. And as you know, since we have changed from here, we have to sort this guy. There is only one letter, so their sorting will not really change anything, so it will come as is. So this will be our fourth combination. Then in this again you have to find the rightmost character which is less than the next character. So T is greater than A, so it is not valid. B is less than T, so we will take B. And then smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found character. On the right we have two characters, T and A, but A is smaller than B, so that is not valid. So we just have T. So I will just put T here. Then we exchange it. It will become T, B, A. But this is not the final one. Then in this, what you have to do, since we exchanged it here, you have to sort from here to here. So if I just sort it, then it will become T. Then it will become T, A, B. This will be the fifth combination for us. In this again the same thing, rightmost character which is lesser than the next character. So that is A. And then the only character which is greater than the previously found character is B. So A, B. Then it will become T, B, and A. If I just take this guy, I have then I have to sort after this exchange thing. It won't really change. Then you have T, B, A. This will be our sixth combination. Then here if I find rightmost character which is lesser than the next character, there is nothing really. So we just break out of the loop, and these are the combinations which we have. What I have done next is I have taken a 4-letter word which is Juba, and then I try to do the same exercise for it as well. So as you can see, first I sorted it, so it became A, B, J, U. Then you have rightmost character which is smaller than the next letter, so that will be J, and smallest character on the right which is greater than the previous found is U. Then we exchanged it, then we sorted. Like that then we get B and J, and then you exchange them, B with J, and then you sort U and B, then you get AJ, BU. Like that if you continuously do it, then you'll get all the 24 combinations. And here the important thing is when it becomes AUJB, then smallest rightmost character will be A, and smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found letter from A. What is the smallest character which is greater than A is B, which is also on the right, so then it will become B. Then you happen to sort 3 letters, so you have BUJA, but when you sort it will become BAJU. So like that, if you just do it, you will get all the 24 combinations for this 4-letter word Juba. Since we have identified what to do for getting the solution, let's identify what all methods we'll need for doing this. A few methods will be, one of them would be to get the factorial, since we want to know how many combinations we might have. So given the number of letters in the character in the word, we want to get the factorial. So one method will be get factorial to get the thing, and one will be to swap characters. Basically we want to, if I give B and T, we want to swap those characters. And one will be to sort from the given index. Basically if I give the, we don't want to do whole sorting, we want to just sort from the place we want to where it got swapped. So we should be able to sort from the given index, and we want to get rightmost character from the array which is lesser than next character. So we need one method for getting the rightmost character, and we need one method for smallest getting the smallest character. So for these things we'll need methods. So we'll need this 5 methods for writing this program. Apart from these 5 methods, we will also need one method for creating a copy of the original input, because we don't want to change the input, and one for adding the combinations to the resultant array. So these are the 6 methods which we'll need, out of which the most important thing is getting the rightmost character and getting the smallest character as per the description here. And then factorial, swap and sort from given index, and copy and adding combinations. These are simple methods which will help us do what we want to do. What I have done here is I have copied the method from our site, whatever we were given, get all combinations and things like that, and the method for it. Then what I have done is I have created those 7 methods which we discussed. One for copying, getting factorial, and swapping 2 characters, and then sorting an array from the given start index. And then the 2 most important things, get rightmost character index. What we have discussed here is for us to get the rightmost character index, we said we have to take that wherever we keep searching from the back, and whenever we get any character which is lesser than the next character, then we can take it. So that is what I am doing, k word dot length -2. So I am starting from here. Then I'm comparing word of k less than word of k plus 1. So this I compare with this guy. If at all it is less, then I'll just take it. So that's how this get rightmost character index does for, and helps us getting these letters. And next to it we have the smallest character index to the right. So this smallest character on the right which is greater than the previously found character. So if we have found B, we should find all those characters which are on the right which is greater than B. I mean smallest of the things which is greater than B. So that is how we have written a method. Basically we start from the next letter after the such start, and then I just go over and I keep comparing if it is greater than the search character. At the same time it is greater than the previous value. If at all it is greater than the previous index, then we just assign that to index, and that is what we written. And then finally one more simple method, add combination, which basically adds the given combination to the list of combinations or a two-dimensional array. Now let's see how we could use this all these 7 methods to implement our main method, get all combinations. So first thing I want to do here is get the size of the given word. Int size equal to word.length. I want to create the result array, what we want to return. So that will be basically result size. If I just do result size, will be what if I have 3 characters, it will be 3 factorial. So if there are 4 characters, it will be 4 factorial. So since the size I am assigning it to size here, I could simply say get factorial of size. That will be the resultant size. So I'll create a character array, two-dimensional character array, call it result, and basically it will be of size, result size, that will be 1 dimension, and every word will be of the same size as the input size. So if word was 5 characters, each character word will be 5 characters again, but there will be 5 factorial words like that. So that is why result size I am putting here, which is the factorial of 5, and the size as is I am putting it here. Then what I will do is, since we don't want to change whatever we got, since the method says get all combinations, we don't want to corrupt the word which comes to us. So what we want to do is, I want to just create a copy of it. Char copy equal to copy of word. So we'll just take the word, whatever word we have, we just take a copy of it, and we try to process this copy. First thing, as we discussed here, first thing we have to do is first sort that particular word such that they are in alphabetical orders. For that, what I will do, I will simply say sort of copy, the method which we have created, but we'll start this sorting from the 0th index. So I'll simply say sort of copy starting from 0 index. So we have the sorted copy. Once I have the sorted copy, what I'll do is I'll just add this copy to the result. What I'll do, I have this add combination method. The combinations will be result, and that copy which I have, that will be the first thing. So the index will be 0. So I'll just call the add combination method to add the copy. Then what I'll do is I'll just go on a for loop for int I equal to 1. Since I have already added one combination, I want to start from 1. I less than the result size. So we want to get so many options or so many combinations. So I less than result size, I plus plus. Then we want to go through this thing. So first thing we are doing here is get the rightmost character index, right? So for that, what I will do, I will simply say int rightmost character index equal to get rightmost character index of the copy word. So whatever is copy is there, I'll get the rightmost character index for it. Then I need to get the smallest character, right? That index also I want to get smallest character index equal to get smallest character index. In the copy, I want to start from rightmost character index plus 1, because we don't want to use I just want to start from rightmost character index, because when you are doing get smallest character index to the right, we are anyway taking the next letter, because we are doing plus 1, and then we are starting from the next 2 characters until the word dot length. So I simply pass rightmost character index here, then it should take care. Then all I have to do then is I want to swap these two things, swap of copy rightmost character index with smallest character index. I just want to swap it. Then I want to sort it, but sorting I want to do from rightmost character index plus 1, because as we have seen here, when you have swapped B and T, we don't want to sort it, we want to sort from the next thing, Here when we have swap B and A, we don't want to sort B but the next thing, so we will say +1, rightmost character index +1. Now we should have got the next combination, so we'll just start that combination, add combination of result and the copy. I'll just because we just it is the next combination, I'll just use the I value, do it until I is less than the result size, then finally we'll return the result. Let's see if this works fine. So as I have said here, we have got the factorial so that we know what is the resultant size, and we also got a copy so that we don't want to modify the original. Then we created a resultant array size, which is the size of factorial into the size of the word which we have got. Then I sorted it from the beginning till the end, and that I added as a first combination. Then I started from 1 to result less than result size. I just did whatever exercise we have done here, finding the rightmost character index which is lesser than the next character, and then smaller character on the right which is greater than the previously found character, then swapping it, then sorting it, and then adding that combination to the resultant array. We keep doing this until result size I is less than result size. So we should get the same number of combinations as the factorial. Then finally we do the result. Now if I just run this, it is printing ABT, ATB, BAT, BTA, and TAB and TBA as expected. Now what I will do is I will simply change it to BATS and see if it works for 4 characters as well. If I just run it, yeah, it seems to be working fine. It has printed from ABST, ABTS, like that 24 combinations of this 4-letter word. Let's try Juba, J. Then if I run it, then also it seems to be working fine and printing or giving all the required combinations. Now that we have this code working, what I will do is I will take all the methods which we have created, these 7 methods. I copy it and then put it into the methods area. Then the get all methods, get all combination method, I will just copy this guy and put it into the that place which you have given, and then I just run this. So we should get all the requirements met. Yeah, as we can see here, success requirements met it says, and it seems to be working for 2-letter words as well as 3-letter words as well as 4-letter words like Juba and walk. So once again, thanks a lot for watching this video, and thanks to Srinivas Rao Balla and Sulekha Matta from Osmania University for providing this solution.